optical art. Okay guys, I just want to give you some price targets for possible pattern we're in. It looks like we could be in head and shoulders. I'm going to give you targets to the downside and the upside. This was yesterday's video. I was talking about if we hit this, well, we hit this ring twice and got rejected. I said likely if we come down, this blue ring would be a support. This is our support below. And if we move up, whenever we make contact with this ring, would be our likely point to get rejected. You can see how this played out. We did come down. We found support. Let me put this on the 30-minute real quick. You'll notice we came down. We found perfect support on this blue ring, and then we got rejected at this red ring. So again, I'm going to show you the pattern we're in. I'm going to give you targets to the downside and the upside. Let me put this back on the 1 hour. And again, guys, if you do want to access these charts, the website's opticalartcrypto.com. Link will be pinned to that first comment in the description. Bitcoin, altcoins, precious metals, Discord, and access to my Twitter is $39 a month. Stocks and tutorials are separate. So if you do want to check that out. So let me go ahead and just get into this, show you what pattern we might be in. So it looks like this is our neckline right here. Let me make this orange so it stands out. So if this is our neckline, this here would be our left shoulder. This would be our left shoulder. This would be our head, and this is potentially could be our right shoulder. What I'd like to point out, and of course, if you do the distance, typically you go from the top. Let's just say from here to here. You go from the top. Let's make this yellow so it stands out. So if you break this neckline here, typically what you do is you go from the neckline to the top and you bring it down, and that just coincides with this ring right here. Now keep in mind, it doesn't mean it has to be a straight drop. It does seem likely if we come down, whenever we make contact with this red ring would be your support. So just to give you an idea, let's see here, put a price label on this. So if we had a straight drop, you're looking at potentially around 41,000. Over here is 41,500, and this is around 42,000. So it just gives you an idea. If price comes down, we get a little bounce, and then we break it, find support, do something like this, then that would be around 42,000. If we push to the upside, just to show you, so our current neckline that needs to hold, we do have a lot of support here. You see, we have fib channel lines in multiple directions, and the support of our neckline. So we actually have a ring as well. So we have 1, 2, 3. See, one ring. See, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 points of support. So again, this could be strong support. This is hold on here. Make this larger. So you're gonna have very strong support right around 46,200. And again, if we break that, your support will be around, again, anywhere from 41,500 to potentially 42,000. If we push up, your resistance will be this blue ring, so possibly 49,839. And again, you can see every time we hit this ring, this red ring here, it's all the same fib circle here. So you can see here we topped out, we came below, we found support. This is actually support and resistance. We got topped out of this red ring. Support and resistance. We came down, bottomed on these rings, topped out, found support, found support. So again, what I'm saying is we are respecting this red fib circle. We topped out at this one, topped out at this one, topped out again, topped out again. So it just makes sense. If we push up, a likely point to get rejected will be this ring above. So this is a point to watch if we push up around 53,326. And if we drop, I would watch around 42,000. Alright, cat's awake. So again, guys, just want to cover that, just give you some targets, head downside and the upside. This is the A1 chart. And this is the video I put up about the stock market. I do think we are topped out, potentially come down. I'll put a link up to this video now if you want to check it out. But again, guys, if you want to access these charts, they play out live 24/7. Just click the link, they load up. Again, Bitcoins, altcoins, precious metals, $39 a month. I do have other plans if you want to check it out. You can access stocks and tutorials. Guys, that's it. Till the next video, I'll keep you updated and post how this plays out on Twitter. Till the next video.